Hello and welcome. Louise Marshall from RosterElf here. Today we will troubleshoot missing public holidays in your roster or payroll. Follow along and you will see the holidays populate exactly where they should. How to access calendar settings. Click Sites in the top menu to open the list of all your locations. Select the site you need so the settings pop-up appears. Choose public holidays in the pop-up to view or update the holiday list for that site. How to verify the correct calendar for your site. Check the site name in the header to confirm you are editing the right calendar. If holidays are missing, pick the country and state. Then click Import to load the standard list for the current year. How to manage a custom calendar. Open your custom calendar and check whether this year's holidays are listed. If any dates are missing, choose Add a single day, type the holiday name, pick the date, and click Add. How to revert to the standard holiday set. Hover over the custom holiday set and click the red X to remove it. Confirm OK so the system switches back to the standard holiday list. That is all it takes to keep public holidays showing correctly. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is ready to help. Happy rostering and see you next time.